We're in the
Forest.
famous Central
Famous forest.
Park, and you can actually get the bar that goes up and down here, and then there's Trellis Bar, and then art gallery. I think that's a Coach store. Don't know what vintage is, but this is specialty restaurants.
Listen to the fake birds.
So, yep, you have birds in here. Makes
Oh, yeah,
people,
fake birds.
you make people think that you're outside in the
That's what the play over
countryside. Over here,
When we were out here earlier, somebody was playing chess.
you can play
It
checkers.
was over there. They're
You can play chess over here. So that's a little interesting little nugget. So I'm not sure, but I think this is supposed to be like Central Park in New York. He's clipping it back, so that means it's real. This whole time I thought all this stuff was fake. I guess it's real. And this is the Trellis Bar over here. It's a little small bar.
Papa Chop.
I don't know. I kind of think a lot of the menus look exactly the same. Okay, still walking here. Fake birdies. And then you'll hear the birds on the little loudspeaker thing that they have in here. I believe in the evening time this is lit up. I have to try and come back in the evening so I can show you. But Park Cafe, they have cappuccinos. If you have the drinks package, it is included. And this is the hours for you. But they do have free food and fruit um, stuff in here. So here you can get an actual salad made with all kinds of goodies in there. You can have sandwiches and wraps. So the sandwiches are made on brioche buns, which is very good. And you can get chips by the looks of it. And they do serve soup and plenty of seating in here, and you're actually in here in the air. I'm gonna get a coffee. They have cookies and cakes.